Welcome to the Ballad Power System Training Series. At Ballad, we are committed to our products. We're here to help you learn how to power your equipment efficiently. Today, we're going to give you an overview of our VPS800A T4 Studio Generator. This unit is 48 by 102 by 87.5. It's powered by a Cummins QSB5 G11 Tier 4 engine. It is 5,100 pounds and it is mounted on our tandem axle trailer. The trailer itself is 184 by 93. We're going to start at the back of the unit today. This is where the controls are and the output panels and where the operators are going to be spending most of their time. Our T4 Studio generators are powered by a super user-friendly deep sea controller. And for your output connectors, you're going to have your 208 volt 3-phase cam locks, as well as your 120 volt single-phase Joy and Edison connectors there. Down here you have your system ground, your engine block heater in case you need to start on a cold winter's night, and your remote monitoring start. So in here we have our circuit breakers. Each breaker is labeled to its corresponding output line. At the front of the generator, it's super straightforward. You have a hatch here that's going to open and close as the generator is running. Coming over to the street side of the unit, in here we have our engine service panel, our DEF tank, as well as our operation manual. If you ever want the most up-to-date version, you can just scan this QR code there. Down here we have the trailer's fuel box. It is connected to the fuel supply and fuel return. Coming full circle on the unit, we have our curbside, where you will be able to access your engine alternator, starter, and batteries. Last thing that we're going to check out on the unit here is up on the roof. So I'm going to climb up this ladder and I'll see you up there. We have a better view. You can see we have our battery charging solar panels, our remote monitoring GPS and cellular antenna, and then here is our exhaust. I hope you got to learn a little bit about our VPS800A T4 Studio Generator. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Give us a like and a subscribe. We hope that you tune in next time to learn about our VPS remote monitoring system. Have a good night.